Welcome to our tutorial on using the KOAPRO Massage Tools on the front thigh. If you are experiencing discomfort or tightness, we have some simple and effective techniques to help improve your flexibility, circulation, and muscle performance. For best results, do a few minutes of cardio or stretches to warm up your muscles. You can use the KOAPRO tools with oil on bare skin for an extra smooth glide or over form-fitting clothing. Use long, gentle massage strokes in side-to-side and up and down motions with the KOAPRO fingers. Always start your massage with light pressure and allow your tissues to relax, loosen, and release tension. You can target your quadriceps, inner and outer thighs, and upper thighs. Be sure to breathe deeply and stay relaxed. If you need more pressure, you can ease into deeper treatment as needed. You can also use the KOAPRO end thumbs to gently press into and release trigger points or tension areas in the muscles. The KOAPRO Fascia Massage Tool has smooth, flat edges that you can use to gently scrape along the skin in upward strokes. This method encourages blood flow to the skin's surface, rejuvenating the muscles from the outside in. If any areas feel extra tense, ease up on the pressure and continue with light, brisk massage strokes all around that area. Once the target area has relaxed and is desensitized, you can ease back into massaging that area and releasing the myofascial adhesions. We recommend spending 1 to 3 minutes on each target area every few days as needed. This process of restoring your myofascial tissue is unique to each individual, so be sure to listen to your body, monitor its response, and adjust your self-care accordingly. You can do this pre- or post-workout, in the shower, at the gym, anytime, anywhere. Consistent use of the KOAPRO Massage Tools will yield better results over time. Don't forget to check our other KOAPRO tutorials for techniques on other areas of your legs and body. Enjoy the benefits of myofascial release with KOAPRO.